We will put food there then. You see the plywood there? We will put food. Come help me. You get a heap of. Then you put on the.
Oh, go, guys, help!
Ground.
Go!
No, they eating fat. And you put them
Go!
on the ground.
Ahyay, how about you? Yan.
Yes, there. Very good. Oh, you put. Yeah, very good. Oh, they will come. They will eat.
I got chicken food. Chicken food. Paano makuha ng chicken?
Mami,
And they will peck on you. Mami, bukain ko yung chicken namin ni Shobe.
saan ang chicken nyo?
Buddy. Yan.
Ayun. Sa likod.
Chicken, ma'am. Ito, oh. Ma'am, ito chicken. Yung ano? Namin. Come on. Eat. Eat your food, daddy. Chicken peck.
Paano to ate? Pinapaitlog ko yung iba.
Ah,
Yan. Isang rooster tsaka 5 inahin.
Chicken.
ang dami pala niyang asawa. Ang dami niya asawa.
Oh, here. Chicken.
No, he will not
Face.
peck you.
Facing
This
it,
is the
face
chicken.
front.
Yan. Use 2 hands then you buhat. Yan. Oh. Very good. You know how to buhat.
Oh, how about Queen? How about Queen? Oh, ikaw naman, anak.
Use the chicken. Use 2 hands. Yan. Oh. Wow, very good. Now you know how to buhat the chicken.
Oh, they're only